So we're on to station 3, and at this point the kids have their decoder ring, and they also have set their decoder ring at station 2. So now I point them to the board and I tell them to use their ring to unscramble the message. And I go through and walk them through and show them how to do the first letter so that they kind of get the pattern. So I would tell them to look at the dark ring. It's a G, so you would write a W above the G. And I would provide them with a marker so they could write the words above and figure it out. I also, if you want to make it more of a teamwork thing, you could do more than one secret decoder on station 1, so you could have more than one kid trying to help out. Or you can have them, divide up. Maybe 2 or 3 kids could work on the first line and 2 or 3 kids could work on the second. But I, unfortunately, only had one decoder ring for each group. So what I did point out is I told them that once they have solved for G, they can have one student write the answer above and have a second student look through for all the other G's and go ahead and write the W above that to go ahead and decode those. So basically, instead of going one letter at a time, once they found like the R, one of the other students could go through and put the answer for all the other R's while the original 2 or 3 students are decoding the sentence starting from the beginning. So this seemed to help them get through this message much quicker. I knew this was a really long message, and I wasn't sure if the kids would get too frustrated. So for 8, I just put the number 8. I could have written out the code for EIGHT, but I thought this would help shorten it just a little bit. Once the kids have decoded the message, it will tell them basically the next station to go to. I incorporated our grammar. By making their choices, they have to recognize that the words have to be an adjective. And when you see the next station, the Scrabble station, it'll be a little bit more clear. But they should be able to find the message, which Scrabble word is an adjective worth 8 points. So now they can move on to the next station.